You know the cycle, right? A new toy is exciting for about 3 days.
And then your cat figures out the pattern and just walks away for good.
So, what if a toy behaved like something, well, real?
Most cat toys fail because they're just plain predictable.
This one is different. We found a toy that's built around the one thing cats can't seem to resist: prey that fights back. So when your cat touches it runs. That simple escape behavior is what triggers their hunting instinct, and it keeps the chase going, all on its own.
Okay, but how does it keep them from getting bored after that first afternoon?
Right, here's the clever part. This ball has 3 different motion modes: fast, slow, and interactive. And they switch up randomly, so there's literally no fixed pattern for your cat to memorize and then just dismiss.
And it's not just about being smart, it's also built for the real world.
The outer shell is a food-grade silicone. We noticed it's specifically thickened so it's bite-resistant, making it totally safe for your cat to chew. And it's Type-C rechargeable. That means it charges from any USB port with the same cable you already have for your phone. No special chargers you have to worry about losing. The link to get this is in the description. We'll send you straight to it. But here's the one detail that makes this a genuine set-it-and-forget-it kind of toy. See this number? 5 minutes. After 5 minutes of no contact, the ball automatically goes into standby mode to save battery. It won't just drain itself rolling around in an empty room. And here's the best part. It wakes right back up the very next time your cat touches it. The chase is always ready to start again, with zero work from you. So for indoor cats that really need that stimulation, this is the toy that actually stays in rotation. The link to get this is in the description. We'll send you straight to it.